One idea that needs to be talked about when it comes to the study of critical thinking is that it will require courage. Critical thinking is all about removing the error from our thinking and thus challenge how we think and what we believe. It is common to come across a factual truth that challenges our current beliefs. This is something you need to be aware of because your subconscious is going to want to discredit it immediately. This is where your conscience needs to take the idea into consideration and store it as something to be tested or thought about. Critical thinking will bring up things you don't like about yourself. Have the courage to face your fears because that is the only way you are going to develop, get better, and become the person that can create the life you want. Our subconscious is sensitive and doesn't like being put down for its belief system, but our systems need to get over themselves so that we can grow, level up, and become more than what we are. If we are to grow, we have to be able to replace the old with the new, and that requires courage. Courage to challenge everything we know and to validate it with factual truth instead of feelings. It can be scary, but it's worth it. This is actually a very important obstacle to understand and overcome because so many people believe things that are not true, and those beliefs hold them back. Critical thinking challenges beliefs, so to ensure what you believe is true, and when you operate from a place of truth, you will be unstoppable. With that being said, let's jump into the power of problem solving.